Good morning, and welcome to Alone with God, our journey through reflective prayer and meditation. Today, we will meditate on Matthew chapter 19 verses 13 to 14. Then children were brought to him, that he might lay his hands on them and pray. The disciples rebuked the people, but Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, and do not hinder them, for to such belongs the kingdom of heaven." Let us bring our prayers to the Lord. Dear Father, I pray to you today, with complete trust and surrender. I entrust my life to you, and seek your guidance to become a more loving and compassionate parent to my own children, as well as to the forgotten children of our society. My heart is filled with sorrow when I think about the neglect and abuse that children face every day. I ask for your help to not only feel moved by their pain, but also to take meaningful action to bless them. Please give me the strength and wisdom to make a positive impact in their lives. Thank you for always being there for me, and for listening to my prayers. Amen.